Hello everyone, this is Akansha Pinjarkar, postgraduate student from the Department of Chemistry of the Sri Shivaji College, Akola. Here I will explain one of the industrially most important reaction from the organometallic chemistry, that's a Sono-Gashira reaction, which is a coupling reaction. Before learning this reaction, let us build up the background behind this reaction. That is, firstly let us know what is this coupling reaction actually means. The coupling reaction in an organic chemistry means a reaction in which two fragments are joined together with the help of the metal catalyst. Broadly speaking, the two types of the coupling reaction. The first one is the homocoupling reaction, where the two identical partners are get coupled as in a Glaser coupling, and you can see here the homocoupling of the two aryl halide. And second one is the heterocoupling reaction that combine the two different partners such as the Hake reaction of alkene and alkenyl halide, and also the Sono-Gashira reaction is an example of the heterocoupling reaction. Now let us start our topic, that's the Sono-Gashira coupling reaction, by learning its historical background. Before it, the Hake, Kazar and Dake also reported the carbon-carbon coupling reaction. All of this reaction was catalyzed by the palladium. But the main drawback of this reaction was that it required a high temperature and a harsh condition. To overcome these drawbacks, Kenichi Sono-Gashira discovered a carbon-carbon coupling reaction that uses a palladium along with the copper co-catalyst. This procedure enables the reaction to carried out under a mild condition and in an excellent yield. Later on, this reaction came to known as a Sono-Gashira coupling reaction. The Sono-Gashira coupling reaction is a coupling of the aryl halide with the terminal alkyne in the presence of the base, and a palladium complex has a catalyst and a copper iodide has a co-catalyst that result in the formation of the coupled product. This is a Sono-Gashira coupling reaction. Now let us know about the mechanism of this reaction. The first step is the activation of the palladium pre-catalyst to form the reactive palladium compound having the zero oxidation state. The second step is an oxidative addition that involves the addition of an organic halide to the activated palladium catalyst gives the palladium to intermediate. This is called as an oxidative addition because oxidation state of the metal is raised by the 2. This step is an RDS, that is a rate determining step. The third step is a transmetallation that involves the transfer of ligand from one metal to another. The oxidative addition of organic halide gives a palladium to intermediate that undergo transmetallation with the help of the alkanyl copper. The last step is a reductive elimination with coupling of the two organic ligand that gives the coupled product and regenerate the palladium catalyst. As you can see here, the palladium catalyst is get regenerated. Now moving towards the most interesting part, that is its application of the Sono-Gashira reaction. The versatility of the Sono-Gashira reaction make it widely used reaction in the synthesis of the variety of the compound. Also the mild reaction condition relative to the broad range of the substrate compatibility allow the Sono-Gashira coupling to find use in the great number of the synthetic application. As this reaction retain the stereospecific information contained in the starting material, so it is useful for the synthesis of the various products. The first application is in the natural product synthesis. For example, isoprene-lauricifuscin. It is obtained from the red algae which is used as an condiment. The second one is in pharmaceutical industries. It is used for the synthesis of the SIB150 which is used for the treatment of the various diseases like the Alzheimer. The third one is the application of Sono-Gashira reaction in the alkylation reaction. It is used in the alkylation of the phenylalanine. Here I have explained some sort of the recent application of Sono-Gashira reaction which I have taken from the various research papers. And these are my references. Thank you. Stay home. Be safe.